How to enable edge lighting on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to turn on and customize edge lighting for notifications on your Samsung device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Following that, look for Brief Pop-up Settings at the top. Now, tap on Brief Pop-up Settings to access notification display options. You'll see different notification styles displayed. Moving forward, tap on Edge Lighting to select it. Alternatively, you can also enable it from Display Settings. Go back to Settings and tap on Display. Afterwards, scroll down and look for Edge Lighting. Tap on Edge Lighting to access all lighting settings. Toggle on Edge Lighting at the top if it's currently off. This enables the Edge Glow effect for notifications. Now tap on Edge Lighting Style to customize how it looks. You'll see different lighting effects like glow, echo, reflection, and more. Tap on each one to preview how it will look on your screen. Select your favorite style from the options. Tap Done to save your selection. Go back and tap on Color to customize the lighting color. You can choose a single color or set it to match the app's color automatically. Select your preferred color option. Additionally, tap on Transparency to adjust how visible the edge lighting is. Drag the slider to make it more or less transparent. Tap on Width to change how thick the edge lighting appears. Adjust it according to your preference. Now tap on Duration to set how long the lighting stays on screen. Choose between short, medium, or long duration. Go back and make sure Show Edge Lighting is enabled for both screen on and screen off. This ensures edge lighting works when your phone is locked or unlocked. To test it, have someone call you or send you a message. The edges of your screen should light up with your chosen effect. If it's still not working, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, test edge lighting again by receiving a notification. Your edge lighting should now be working perfectly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you enable edge lighting on Samsung, give it a like. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.